What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Okay, guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay, guys, so in today's video I'm excited to show you a natural ingredient that would help you to grow your hair, thicken your hair, shine your hair, and darken your hair, literally. So if you're actually having gray hair or you don't like the color of your hair is becoming like color 4, color 8 and thereabouts, and you want to make it darker, it's actually a natural ingredient. It's not going to break your hair and it's going to actually give you that fuller and thicker hair. Okay, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Now let me take you right in. So guys, to turn your gray hair to black, to turn your white hair to black, you're going to be needing this, and this is onion. So you're going to be needing just a little of this onion to mix it with all the other ingredients to help you darken your hair. So I'm going to be preparing and peeling the onion. I'm going to be using just half of this. Now it's time to cut. I'll put just a little water to enable me blend this very well. So now I'm actually going to be sieving this out because we're actually needing only the juice. So this is my onion juice. I'm going to be setting that aside. Getting a clean bowl. Now we're going to be needing charcoal for this. Charcoal actually helps in darkening the hair when we mix it with these other ingredients. And it gives your hair a permanent darkness. This is it. So we're equally going to be needing coconut oil for this. You all know coconut oil is an amazing ingredient that works so well in darkening of the hair. It makes your hair super dark and thick, and it equally makes it so full. So mixing it up this way would actually make this ingredient work amazingly. So this is it, and now we're also going to be making use of coffee. So if you can't get your coffee powder, you can actually get a coffee grain and just blend it and mix it in here, and then you would be having your dark hair remedy. Okay guys, so after doing that, then you now put in the onion juice. So after putting the onion juice, we would have to keep it for everything to dissolve together, to infuse together, and so that when we want to use it, it will be actually very effective. Okay, so this is how you're going to be using this ingredient, guys. You're going to take the ingredient with the tip of your forefingers. You're going to grab it, you're going to rub it onto the scalp of your hair where you likely have those white hair. You're going to rub everything there, and then now you see that it's actually not much, but if your hair is super long, you can actually, you can actually make it much so that it will go around your hair. So when you rub it there, you're going to, now when you want to rub it, you have to wear a nylon hand glove, okay, so that it doesn't stain your fingers, because when it stains, it's going to be difficult to come out, because the result is permanent after 3 hours. Okay, so what you do is that you're going to leave it onto your hair, into your hair for 3 hours. You can either cover it or leave it, let hair dry it. After 3 hours, then you can wash it off, and your hair will be permanently dark and really full. It will begin to get shiny and shiny, just like as it is right now. Okay guys, so that's it. Go give this a go. Apply it onto your hair just like I said. Leave it to either air dry or you cover it up for a little while, 1 to 3 hours. Then wash it off, and your result is amazing, and it's going to stop your hair from breaking, literally. So that's it. If you do love this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.